Alright guys, today we're looking at something that honestly has been showing up more and more lately. Every few days, somebody posts that quantum computers are going to crack crypto, then somebody else says it's complete nonsense, then another person claims everyone should move their coins immediately. And when internet starts pulling in opposite directions like that, I usually stop listening to opinions and try to figure out what's actually going on. So, here's the situation. Right now, almost every major blockchain people use every day relies on digital signatures that were designed long before quantum computing became a serious engineering goal. For years, that wasn't a problem. Nobody had hardware anywhere close to what's needed. But now, companies like Google, IBM, and others keep reporting progress. Governments are funding quantum research, and cryptography experts have already started introducing new standards that are specifically designed to survive this next generation of computing. Does that mean your wallet is about to get hacked? No, but it does mean this conversation is no longer just science fiction, and my thinking was pretty simple. If better protection already exists today, why wait until everyone starts talking about it at the same time? So, let me show you what I found.
And before we get into it, make sure you watch until the end because there's one important step people usually skip, and that's the part that actually matters. I spent quite a bit of time comparing different approaches, reading through technical discussions, even using AI to organize and verify the information faster. And after testing several options, this is the platform I decided to stick with. The reason's pretty straightforward. It doesn't ask you to transfer your assets, it doesn't take custody of your wallet. Instead, it scans your current wallet configuration, checks whether your existing protection follows newer security practices, and lets you activate additional post-quantum verification layer directly on top. That sounded like a much cleaner solution to me. So, let's open it. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below. So, first I choose the network and connect the wallet I want to inspect. There we go. Connection's finished. The scan starts automatically now, so we'll just give it a few seconds. Okay, results are back. So what I'm seeing here is that this wallet is currently running with the default signature model. Nothing unusual, nothing broken, but according to the scan, there isn't any additional protection beyond the standard cryptographic layer that's built into the wallet. That's why this recommendation shows up here. Platform suggests enabling a secondary verification layer built around post-quantum cryptography. Basically, it's adding another level of signature verification designed around cryptographic methods that are intended to remain resistant even as quantum computing continues to develop. So I press activate, and now protocol is deploying everything. Shouldn't take long. All right, done. Status is now active. Everything completed successfully. The wallet stays under my control. My private keys never leave it. My funds don't move anywhere, but now there's an additional verification layer sitting on top of the existing security model. And after going through the whole process, this is probably my biggest takeaway. I don't think anyone should be running around acting like quantum computers are about to wipe out crypto tomorrow. That's not my conclusion. My conclusion is much simpler. Technology changes. Security changes with it. The cryptography we trusted 20 years ago isn't always what we trust today. The same thing is happening again. Researchers are already building new standards, developers are already implementing them. So waiting until the last possible moment doesn't really give you any advantage. If adding another layer takes a minute, doesn't require giving up control of wallet, and can strengthen your overall setup, then personally, I'd rather have it there than wish I'd enabled it later. That's really how I look at it.